One more.
The advantage of moving it from one mounted gun. Mounted gun.
भारत डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट्स के क्षेत्र में आत्मनिर्भरता की ओर अपने कदम तेजी से बढ़ा रहा है। इसमें डीआरडीओ ने गन माउंटेड सिस्टम को तैयार किया है जो दुश्मनों पर कहर बनकर टूटने को तैयार है। ये कोई आम तोप नहीं, ये भारत की आर्टिलरी क्रांति है। एक ऐसा ट्रक माउंटेड हेवी आर्टिलरी सिस्टम जो रेगिस्तान की रेत हो या पहाड़ की ऊंचाई, हर हालात में दुश्मन के लिए आफत बनेगा। इसका निर्माण डीआरडीओ के नेतृत्व में और साथ में भारतीय उद्योग, डीपीएसयू और देश के टॉप इंजीनियरिंग संस्थानों की साझेदारी के साथ हुआ है। इस गन माउंटेड सिस्टम को भारत के मेक इन इंडिया का असली उदाहरण भी माना जा रहा है। डीआरडीओ द्वारा तैयार इस सिस्टम की खासियतें काफ़ी हैं, जिसमें से प्रमुख है क्रॉस कंट्री ऑपरेशन, शील्ड प्रोटेक्शन, ढलान, चढ़ाई और खाई पार करने की ताकत और सबसे बड़ी बात, दुश्मन पर तेजी से जवाबी हमला करने की क्षमता। इस ट्रक जैसे दिखने वाले वाहन से जब 155 mm की भारी भरकम तोप गरजेगी तो दुश्मन देश में रात में सूरज जरूर चमकेगा।
This is a mounted gun system. It is a 155-52 caliber gun. These guns are there for quite long time, but they are on a towed. These are on a towed gun platforms. Towed gun means the gun will be separate and the primer will be separate. This will be towed and then it is deployed. And to either to deploy or to retrieve, it is a cumbersome exercise. It is difficult to in the war scenario because the present day of the surveillance systems, you can easily locate this from where the firing is coming. So it is important to shoot and scoot facility should be there for the guns. So that's what we have given to this for this MGS, where you can quickly go there. In 80 seconds you can deploy, and 85 seconds you can retrieve the gun and get away from that place. So that gives an added advantage to fire also, and also to safeguard yourself. That is.
It is indigenous gun and it is also produced.
Yeah, it is totally indigenous. Almost 85% of the indigenous content in the as a first prototype itself, which achieved 85%, and then it has got a capability to potential to export.
So what will be the impact on the services of this gun?
They are eagerly waiting for this MGS. They are already looking for this MGS for quite long time. So this is the first prototype where you can actually the army can look at it and evaluate themselves. The RFPs what have been floated by army and against the GS-square released by them in 2022. So this gun meets the entire GS-square parameters what the army has given.
So if we talk about the cost and what is your plan to make it fast and in future, sir?
No, since we have developed this only to make it, development timelines to reduce and also to ensure that the production is streamlined the moment we complete our internal the trials by army, where we go to the production level. To keep pace with that, we have gone to a model of DCPP. So that DCPP mode we have developed this. We have a industry partner, Bharat Forge Limited. So the moment the trials are over, we are in a position to productionize this. As far as the cost, what you have asked for it, then this gun will be roughly around 15 crores as on today. The gun which we have produced, if you take out the development cost and all, So roughly it will be of 15 crores order. Whereas if you import this gun as on today, roughly it will be around 35 to 40 crores.
ये सिर्फ एक हथियार नहीं है, ये भारत के आत्मनिर्भर सैन्य शक्ति का चलता फिरता प्रमाण है। जब भारत की सीमाओं पर खतरा मंडराएगा तब MGS दुश्मन के लिए बिजली बनकर गिरेगा।